Hello, welcome to Monday Mandarin. 我是陶老师。Sometimes you think you mastered all of the pinyin and the tones, but when you put them together, they go south. I hope this set of video will help you with combinations. Don't overthink, just practice. How? Listen, copy, compare, fix, and repeat. Pinyin will help you with the basic. Using your ears to listen is more important. This is not aimed to practice the vocabulary, but if you want to know what those words mean, turn on the subtitles. Alright, let's start. 鞋带儿，鞋带儿，快板儿，快板儿，在哪儿？在哪儿？老头，老头，老伴儿，老伴儿，雨点儿，雨点儿，差点儿，差点儿，哥们儿，哥们儿，花儿，花儿，画儿，画儿，宝贝儿，宝贝儿，顶儿，顶儿，米粒儿，米粒儿，脸蛋儿，脸蛋儿，玩儿，玩儿，一点，一点儿，名牌，名牌儿。Most of the time, you can drop the sound in Chinese without changing the meaning, but watch out for some exceptions, like 一点 versus 一点儿 and 名牌 versus 名牌。You will know which one to use based on the situation. When you are writing something formal, try not to use the sound too much. But hey, let's have some fun and practice saying words with together. 如果你喜欢我的视频，欢迎留言、订阅、分享。我们下次再见，再见。